In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create non-profit websites using Wix. We'll walk through a simple process to get your organization online with a site that looks professional and helps supporters understand your mission. First, head to wix.com, log into your account, and from your dashboard open My Sites. Choose Create New Site to start fresh. This sets up the workspace where you'll build everything. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and free, and you can always upgrade later if you need advanced features. Next, select the non-profit and community category to see templates designed specifically for charities, foundations, and community groups. Browse the options and pick a design that matches your organization's style and goals. Look for layouts with clear storytelling areas, strong calls to action, and space for programs or events. Remember, templates are just starting points. You'll customize colors, fonts, and images to make it truly yours. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll personalize the template. Adjust your site's color palette to align with your brand. Choose readable fonts and tidy the layout so your key messages stand out. Replace placeholder text and stock images with your own content. If you want to follow along, there's a direct link to Wix at the top of the description so you can jump right in. Now add your nonprofit's core content. Create a clear About Us section that explains who you serve and why you exist. Share your mission in a concise statement. Then detail your programs with short descriptions and impact highlights. A contact section is essential. Include a simple form and links to your social channels. Strengthen the site with authentic images, short videos, and real stories from the field. Keep paragraphs scannable. Use headings so visitors can navigate easily, and add alt text to images for accessibility. Enable donations so supporters can take action. You can add a donation button using Wix Donations or connect a trusted third-party payment app from the Wix App Market. Place your donate button in the header and on relevant pages so it's always easy to find. Customize preset amounts, allow custom donations, and write a friendly confirmation message that thanks supporters and explains how contributions help. If possible, invite recurring donations to sustain your programs. Before you publish, preview your site on both desktop and mobile. Check that every link works, images load quickly, and text is easy to read. When everything looks polished, click Publish to make your nonprofit website live. That's it. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.